Hello students, I am your English teacher, Mrs. Sumalata C. Today I am going to tell you one interesting story from class 7th, that is kindness to animals. So we can find this story in workbook activity, that is about kindness to animals. Once Lincoln was riding in the company of some friends. On their way, they saw a pig struggling to get out of a deep mud hole. The poor animal was sure to die if it was left in the hole. Lincoln could not bear the thought of it. He went towards the hole and stood there for some time. He looked at the clothes he had on him and the pig. His friends made fun of him and said, "You can stay here and attend to the pig if you like. You are dressed for the hole. We shall go." Lincoln waited for some time. He saw his friends going away. Then, using some rails that were lying nearby, he got the pig out of the hole and watched it run to the nearest farm. He looked at his clothes that were covered with mud. Nothing gave Lincoln more joy than saving a life. Have you enjoyed this story? Yes, it is all about the saving the pig from the hole. So the Lincoln was a kind boy, and he is lovable and joyful and friendly character holding boy. Thank you.